let's do daily stuff, and then I'll do some more coding. Let's do that. All right. Wrapper. No. Taper. And and no nem nesif nef nefen niece. That's IE. In inundate, no. In Incy. Yeah. Scheme. Skim. Len lens. Okay, no E. No more E. Pesky. Penny. Strewn? No. Hmm. Feline? No. Felon? No, it doesn't have an I. Siphon? No. Being. Neg. It's not GN. No, is it? It's not sign. Feign. Is that it? Feign. That's what it is. Yeah, nice. That's a good one. Welcome to the 4. Checkpot. Motor. Snow jar buttons. Rambo Sunday wake. Amatello. Shaft wax. Pokeball. Liquid nitrogen fragrance. Cables. Refrigerator. Hmm. Liquid nitrogen refrigerator. Wick. Wax. Shaft, probably. That's probably it. No. Cable. Snow jar. Jar. Nice. Components of a candle. I don't know if it's called the jar, though. Well, it's not really components. It's kind of requirements to make. And you don't need fragrance, so, like... I get it. But come on. Shaft, motor. Cables? But parts of an elevator. Ah, interesting. Things you might get at a gas station. Okay. So you might get tomatillo sauce. You might get a jackpot. You might get liquid nitrogen. No. And well. Rambo, Buckyball? What? Starting with male animals. Okay, sure. Damn. With what? Cold things. Okay, sure. Sure. Whatever. Then let's go for OEC Pick 5. How am I going to help with that? How does that involve me? Exactly. Gelatin. Isn't this like super duper obscure or something? They're like weird countries or something. United States. Actually, it might be United Kingdom. I don't know. If we're gonna delay the game to Monday, I think we just delay it another week. That way, there's no stress about it for us. And like we've got extra time for like quality. If we're getting 0 more days than 2 more days, well, if we're getting 2 anyway, we might as well get we may as well get a whole week. That's what I'm saying. Like, We may as well use the opportunity to get more time. If its delay is an inevitability, more time better. It might be the UK actually. No, it's France. And probably just Germany and Italy, like normal. Actually, I do think Italy is up there. Oh, not quite. Brazil. Ew, Brazil. You see, that's not really better either. Because we might have to delay it anyway. So then you're out for an extra week. Then you're out for an extra week for basically no reason. Requirements equals false. Okay, okay. I think what I should do is I should implement the events. That's what I think I should do. That's what I think I should do now. Because it's gotten to the point where the events desperately need to be implemented for more testing opportunities. By Wednesday, will we know if we need to delay it? Yeah, we'll know. We'll know. We will know by then. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to go. That's there. I said yes, dumbass. Listen. Where did I put those? Okay, they're here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm creating new text file. I'm calling him the clan. We'll do that one first. Rename. Actually, I'm gonna do this with VS Code. It'll be faster. Open. In terminal, open in file manager. Okay, good stuff. Showing file system. What the hell is that? Open. Okay. I wanted to tell you that you should probably tell a lot of the people uh, who are quote unquote sponsored. Uh, there may be a delay. You should also tell them. You should also tell them that you've got pre-orders up. You should probably tell them one of those first. But yeah, people should probably know that that's where we're at. Oh, well then, that's fine. You should probably tell them that we're concerned that there may be a delay. Should win file system. Oh, it's just over here. View owners? No. Where is this? Open? No. Open an external program. That's what I want. That's not the external program I want, but fine. Yeah, it might not be too long. It might not be too long, but it's important that they know. It's very important that they know. Remember your main file. Where? What the hell? Scenes, event. Where's that? Where that? File? Open. That's like album bar app. Okay. Copy location. Open. Okay, well that's whatever. Okay, so there's our guy. Wow. I believe so. And it's probably fine because like it's not like they know that I'm the only developer. They know that. For now, unless something comes up. You should be aware of things that may crop up. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Okay. This is in the wrong format. That's the real one. Okay. Takes is false. Takes. I should edit that then and not now. No, this is the one that's cut off. Wait. Do you have the clan event, like the full one? Because this one's cut off. I don't have the full one. Okay. It's not bad, but it's not all of it. Because I should also probably do. I should also probably get all the sprites done. Yeah, I know I got all the sprites, but I should probably like implement them. Oh, but I don't. I don't have all of the people yet, so I guess I should do that too. I'll do that after I do the events. Send it over. Send it over. Send it over. Ah. Oh, okay. Okie dokie. Well, I can't exactly do this right now yet, so. Nice. I don't need constant updates. I need the file. Okay. It's like and more. Download, save as. I can save it as that. That's fine. Okay, that seems good. Uh, yeah. Dude, I've shown you my profile before. I should put it in here. Okay, I cannot just do that. Okay, good stuff. Requirements false. Requirements false, gives false, takes false. Good, good, good. Kind of just like plug it in there. Just shove it in the game. Just shove it in there. Okay. Clan done. This one. It seems fine. Duplicate, and we'll call it. Like with Jenny. That's only one N. Um, shit. An external program. Okay. Control A, back. Over here. That's not so great. Probability, we don't use probability, we use chance. Probability. Replace with chance. This one is tiny. What about the Ku Klux Klan? They don't answer my emails. I don't know why. Professor's helmet, and you did probability again instead of chance. Yippee. I'm guessing this is going to be recurring. That's not good. That's not good, man. It's not funny either. This is also incredibly short in comparison. Front, what? No, I don't care. Duplicate. Well, it's considerably low. Takes. That's going to be a problem, isn't it? Okay, maybe it won't be such a big deal. I'm going to have to go through and check all of those. All the gives and takes. This does not have what it needs to have. That's so bad, man. How could you possibly be so terrible at following instructions? It's absurd. So that's going to need to be fixed. I should mark it somehow. I'll do this at the top. Because C sucks. Does this have the same problem? Yes, it does. Gives and takes do not exist. Let go. Duplicate. Fine. Duplicate. Distant traveler. Okay. Oops. That's good. Mandrake. No, not like that. That's good. Open, duplicate. That's rename. Duplicate. Stern traveler. Sends along. Skeleton. Skeletonish. Duplicate. Let's call this one Catherine. Open an external program. Okay. Nice. You mind me asking how many? Yeah, I do mind. Fair. It's like it's taboo to ask someone about their paycheck. Allegedly. Allegedly. I'm pretty sure that's only taboo for like union busting or something. Awesome. That's like almost $1,000, dude. Just kidding. I actually got like 7. Well, that's fair. That's still like $80, dude. Also, the advertising hasn't really kicked in, so I don't expect it to be a ton. I don't expect it to be a ton until release day. Uh, Whatever that is. Because right now it's just pre-orders. This is all stuff that we probably. That's all pre-orders. Like pre-orders are all sales we probably wouldn't have made otherwise. We will see. I'm trying my best. But some of these are kind of screwed. I am doing my best, okay? I'm going as fast as I can. We don't close that. We close this one. Stone Frog probably needs to be reworked and made longer. That one's way too short. Did you do an event for each of the locations? I think I'm just getting to them now. Yes. Are they all short? Except the campfire? Okay. Oh, I can manage that. What, do you want to do the campfire one? Uh, well, sure, I guess. It would be nice though if you went back and redid some of these though, because some of them I don't think work. Traveling with Jenny, I don't think it's formatted correctly. That would be accurate, probably. Okay. So that should be all of them. Actually, except for this one. No, the dwarf's helmet is also wrong. Uh, damn it. Let me make the text a bit smaller on my Discord. Accessibility. Accessibility. Dude, I do not give a shit about accessibility. Oh, it's under accessibility now. Ooh. Okay, that's a little bit better. So we got all that. Oh, I need to. Okay. And, I'll wait for you to send that guy over for a minute. The fixed ones. The fixed events. The dwarf's helmet and the Chelsea one, I believe. No, not the dialogue. Not the dialogue. The dialogue is fine. The event is broken. The event has a completely wrong format. And I know you've got the originals, so. If that's going to be more work, then I think I'll start implementing other stuff. But yeah, so all of those events should work now. Actually, let me test. Because the Shroomtopia and that one are pretty unlikely that they're gonna actually come up. So let me do some testing. Wow. The one thing. I got the one spawn, which would force me to not get one of the things that I just implemented. Why is development like this? Okay, now it's saying no again. Oh, because I know what it is. You didn't change the locations. They're all the same, basically, aren't they? Or it's picking the broken ones. Oh yeah, because road is not implemented correctly. It's supposed to be road 1, comma, road 2. I knew it'd be something, man. I knew it would be something with them. Do you know why that's a big deal? Do you know why that's a big deal? I don't think you do. Do you know why that's a big deal? Because for each section of each event, it's going to need to be updated. You just have road when you need road 1, 2, and 3. You see, that's the kind of thing that takes time. And we're probably going to be behind anyway. So that's something that now needs to be. I need to stop doing other things and address it. Which would not have happened if rather than trying to convert all of them into a different format, you just did the first format. The one that I wanted you to do the whole time. Because now this has taken up several weeks. You see. You see how that snowballs? And it's still not done yet. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna go through them all after I'm done, like, the one at the top. It's the only way I'm gonna be able to get through this in a reasonable amount of time. That one's broken. Broken. Oh, the pumpkin guy is broken too, by the way. Just a minute. I've gotta do something else now. Mushroomtopia is very specific. I guess I can leave the space there, but I'm not going to. Oh, I didn't do the clan one either. I think the clan one is broken too. No, the clan one I didn't have the whole thing. So I need the clan one, I need the pumpkin head guy event, I need the dwarf event, and I need the Chelsea event. That's 4. Okay. Chelsea, clan, pumpkin guy. Yes. I think I need the Chelsea one. Let me check again. Let me check one more time just to be sure. No, the Chelsea one's fine, actually. It was the Jenny one. I was forgetting. It was a Jenny one. So I'm just missing the clan event now. Foggy Road. What's the Foggy Road? Foggy Road is not defined. I'll assume it means this one, which is Road 3, if I remember. Okay, I think I've got all that I need now. I think I've got it all. Okay. What the hell's that about? Oh, because this is, No, I don't know. Oh, it's all spaces. Wonderful. Wonderfully disgusting, and I hate it. The computer doesn't care, but I care. Because that's all gonna need to be taken and put down. Um, okay. Sure. That ain't the freaking clan one. That's not the clan one. That's the pumpkin guy one. Okay. Requirements. Okay. Let's try again. Property or key locations. On base object type string. That's all the way up here. Start description. No, that's the old one still. You suck at this, man. You suck at it. You suck at it. Actively. You do not know what you're doing. Ever. This is supposed to be there. Accidentally closed it. It's the client. Why is it? That's the same file. Yeah, that's the same file. I gotta restart it probably. Okay, it's all here now. It doesn't know that it's a JSON file for some reason. Why? Where did I go for that? Debug? Break? Syntax highlighter? JSON. Okay, I think we're good now. Let's try it again. Invalid access to property or key locations. Base object of type string. Start description. Oh, because it is wrong still. It thinks that it's something that it is not. Because it is wrong, isn't it? Requirements? False. This isn't correct. This is why I had it laid out the way that I did. Why is it only getting stuck there? On the one thing? The one event? Yeah, it keeps getting stuck on the one event. So this is just going to be aids to debug. And then dictionary.keys, 0, locations. Because it is getting stuck on the exact same one every single time. If location in event dictionary. Start description does not exist in the other ones. In the properly done ones. No. Did you do something weird? Locations, requirements, sprite, buttons. Locations, requirements, sprite, buttons. Locations on base object of type string. Title. Start description. There is no start description. What the hell are you on about? That doesn't exist. That's old. Does he think he's something else? That's not good. If that's the case. Actually, didn't this happen before and I had to like delete it and remake it or something? Okay, I think I've cleaned it up now. Nope. Possible events dot append. Never made it that far. If location in um I need to go through locations. For place. If location equals place. I don't know what is wrong. I don't know what's happening. Or place in dictionary. And break. Because we don't need to keep going. Invalid access to property or key locations on base object of type string. It's not supposed to be a string. It's supposed to be a dictionary. Because then we get it down here. And we filter it. Current value, road 1. Perfect. Why is it working for the others but not for that one? That's what I don't understand. Oh wait, is it not? Is it not tight enough? Is that it? Is that not what I do? Yeah, that's not what I'm doing. That's the problem. Is it? No. Let me just grab this and check. Is it because of the X? Is it because of the apostrophe? Is that it? It's because there's no quotes here, isn't it? That's what it was. No, that doesn't make any sense. No, that's not it. No, that's the same. That's the same. Expected comma. Where did you expect comma? Because I'm gonna have to redo a lot of this shit anyway. On base object of type string. For place in event dictionary dot keys 0. It's for the first that gets the first entry. Locations. That is a list. It's supposed to be, at least. What do I do here? New event, unpause. Unpause, okay. Location equals place. That's the big guy. He's got event ID. He's got title. He's got start description still. Let me try and just get rid of him and make him again because he might be broken. Let's just get rid of the ones that are broken right now. Because don't care. Good, good, good. Probably fine-ish. Let's just kind of make sure these are good. Okay. Let's try that. Because I'm pretty sure that's the issue. Invalid access to narration. Where? Okay, it made it all the way through now, so that was just busted. I don't know what that was about. It should be fixed now, if when I add them back with their better versions. But that was awful. Invalid access to property or key narration. Object. No. Oh, it's because it doesn't have a narration tag. I should check if the narration tag exists. And if it does, then it can happen. If it doesn't, it shouldn't try. If equals null. Boom. Okay. Fixed. No, that's if it does. If it doesn't, we need it to be if it doesn't. Okay, that should work. Let's just make sure everything is in order, and we get the one where we cannot test. Hilarious. Invalid access to property or key narration on type dictionary. Yeah, because it doesn't exist, dumbass. If null, how can I test if a thing exists? If property name in object. That doesn't seem quite right. Okay, so we treated it like a list, kind of, in a way. If narration in selected event. There we go. Because many will not have narration. Like, that's kind of a specific thing. Awesome. Works fine. Greater. I'm gonna have to fix this, but that should be okay. And then you're here, and nothing happens. I have to click the button to make it happen. But clicking the button will advance your counter, so that's not really acceptable either. No thanks to you. No thanks to you. What did I need? What do I need now? What am I missing again? Because I had to delete it, delete the broken ones, and then bring them back. Because you didn't adhere to the freaking. You didn't actually adhere to the format. I don't hit control S, I hit OK. Okay, and this one should be fine. Okay. That should be good. It should all be fixed now. I'm gonna have to take the locations. I'm gonna have to adjust all the pre-existing ones. Like in here, I'm gonna have to get the top one. I'm gonna have to put it through all of these. That's fine. That's fine. Oops. Wow. Awesome. And then we're here. And then we're here, so it should trigger that event. Good stuff. I've told you time and time again, that's not really how it works. You know that. You know that. You just keep saying it over and over again. Stop it. Stop it. Learn patience. Well, it didn't really work. Okay, so I got those two. That's all good. Looking at these events and their names, am I missing any? Am I missing any? Is that all of them? I think it's 15. No, I'm not missing any. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna do, or I'm going to put the sprites in. Those kind of suck. Those are kind of just placeholders. I put the characters in, I think. So we can close that off for now. We can close that off for now. That's good. What now? Characters, create new folder. Characters, dialogue. No, that's for a scene. I don't need a scene. I just need a folder. Those aren't done. I'll wait a little bit, I think, because I'm not sure which ones are finished and which ones are not. So I'll wait to do that. And while I wait, I will do something else. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and when I come back, I'll probably do something interesting. Something necessary. I am back. What is it that we still desperately need? What do we still desperately need? Obviously, we got to do. We got to implement characters and all that. But when that's done, we're basically done. Uh, when that's done, everything else is really inconsequential. Do you have all of the characters finished? Or are there still some that are unfinished? I finished all of them? Okay. Well, when I looked, I know that some of them are not done yet. Or I just went all the way back up to the top. So, I assume it changes over somewhere. I should go from the bottom up, actually. Okay, I should make a file for these because they're going to be a lot. I'll put it in assets even though it doesn't make any sense. Okay. Download, save as. I'll call them by their names. Do these have, wait. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. We'll capitalize them. That's not where I wanted to save it to. Cut. Okay, so we got that one. And then we'll go through all the ones we have. And we'll name all of the sprites properly. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Because right now, I kind of just have a ton of placeholders. And really, it doesn't need to be placeholders. It'll be easier if we do it this way. Jenny. That's an event. And then tomorrow, what I'll probably do is finally handle real gameplay. You'll probably do that too. That's an event. I didn't get that one, did I? Yeah, which means you didn't really check when I asked. Download. I'm probably gonna head out after this. I might do some more basic stuff, like certain things that we need, but I'm tired. A lot of repeated button pushing. Chelsea, Cadence, Jenny. We got. Yep, we got that one. Chelsea, check. Jenny, check. Cadence, check. And then we got Dwarf 2. Okay. So here's what they all look like, just because. 67 kilobytes. Insane. Okay, I'm gonna head out. Maybe I shouldn't, but I'm going to. I'm tired. I'm tired. We got more to do. I'll probably do it tomorrow. So, follow or don't every day at or around 1 p.m. PST. Share, host, whatnot, etc. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That's it. Bye bye. Get out of here. Get out of here.